Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Comprehensive Guide to Python Developer Fresher Interview Questions. Introduction. Securing a job as a Python developer requires not only a strong understanding of the language but also the ability to demonstrate your skills in an interview setting. In this tutorial, we'll cover some common interview questions for Python developer fresher roles, along with detailed explanations and code examples to help you prepare effectively. Question 1. What is the difference between Python 2 and Python 3? Explanation. Python 2 and Python 3 are two major versions of the Python programming language. Python 3 was introduced to fix and enhance certain aspects of Python 2. Key differences include print statements, division, and Unicode support. Code example. Question 2. Explain the concept of Python's Global Interpreter Lock, GIL. Explanation. The GIL is a mutex that protects access to Python objects, preventing multiple threads from executing Python bytecodes at once. This can impact the performance of multi-threaded Python programs. Code example. No specific code example, but discuss the impact on multithreading in Python. Question 3. Differentiate between lists and tuples. Explanation. Lists are mutable, meaning you can modify their elements, while tuples are immutable. Tuples use parentheses, and lists use square brackets. Code example. Question 4. How does dictionary comprehension work in Python? Explanation. Dictionary comprehension is a concise way to create dictionaries. It uses a single-line expression and a loop to generate key-value pairs. Code example. Question 5. Explain the principles of object-oriented programming, OOP, and give an example in Python. Explanation. OOP is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects. Python supports OOP with classes and objects. Code example. Question 6. Describe the difference between inheritance and composition. Explanation. Inheritance allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from another class, while composition involves creating relationships between classes without inheritance. Code example. No specific code example, but discuss the concept of inheritance and composition. Question 7. What is the purpose of try, except, and finally blocks in Python? Explanation. Try blocks are used to enclose code that might raise an exception. Except blocks handle those exceptions, and finally blocks contain code that should always be executed, whether an exception occurs or not. Code example. Conclusion. These interview questions cover a range of topics that are commonly assessed in Python developer fresher interviews. Make sure to practice these concepts, understand the underlying principles, and be ready to apply them in code. Remember, interviewers are not just looking for correct answers but also for your problem-solving skills and ability to communicate your thought process. Good luck. ChatGPT